Rozzy kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this special homemade cake. So guys, if you like what you are seeing, just relax and watch how I made this cake from the scratch. So guys, I'm going to use to make this homemade cake. This is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cup of sugar, teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to use a little drop of vanilla, 7 eggs, imperial cube butter, and 1 cup of milk. So these are all things that I need to make this cake. So guys, let's start. I already cracked the 7 eggs here, so I'm going to use the mixer to mix it. Make sure you mix it very well. You have to mix it very well, like about 4 minutes. Yeah, you have to mix it like about 4 to 5 minutes. I just want to add a little vanilla. This is the egg. I have to mix it about 4 minutes.
What's wrong with me? Where should I be?
I'm going to mix the sugar and the butter together. Make sure you mix it very well. Yeah, I've mixed cake and I've mixed the butter and the sugar together. So this is how your butter and sugar will look like when you mix it together. So you have to mix it very well. So I'm going to turn down the powder and the flour inside right now. So I'm going to turn the flour inside. So I mix. This is the baking powder. put all the egg inside right now. As you can see, I changed the bowl because that bowl was too small. Make sure you turn it. Make sure you mix it very well. In this, you're going to be adding a little milk, little by little. You cannot just turn it because you don't want it to be too light. Thick. Yeah. Look at this texture. Yeah. Make sure it's very light like this. Make sure it's light. I'm going to cream the pan with the butter. I'm going to cream this too. The cake is ready. The cake. Just have to check this surface. Yeah, there's no stain. It's not sticky, so that means it's ready. You just have to wait for it to cool. Just have to wait for the cake to cool a little bit, so before I can remove it from the pan. Yeah, cake is ready. I'm just gonna pull it out from the pan. Yeah, we don't need to be looking for cake anymore. Just make cake for your kids. For the kids that like cake so much, look at it. Wow. So guys, thank you guys for watching. If you are new to Rozzy Kitchen, please do subscribe. Wow, I love what I'm seeing. My kids love cake so much. So it's very easy. Make cake for them. They should eat cake as they like. Hey people, we are done with our homemade cake. Thank you guys for watching. Please, if you are new to my channel, this is Rozzy Kitchen. Please subscribe and like. For those of you who have already subscribed, thank you so much. You are the reason why Rozzy Kitchen is existing. So thank you guys so much, and thank you for subscribing. See you guys in the next video.